So I've been at it for about 3 minutes already, winding this thing up. It's a real pain in the butt, to put it kindly. Uh, yeah, I still got some more to go. The thing is, I could have made this prop larger. I keep on coming to the same conclusion, but and it is larger than my previous attempt. The small boat. This one's quite a bit larger though than the small boat that I made earlier. And the mechanism is the same as the car. I actually just pulled the car parts off of this and reassigned it to a boat. So here we got a little catamaran, I suppose. And well, we'll see how it goes. If I let go of this prop before I get in the water, then that will just be the end of me. Alright, hopefully not in the way. Alright, have a good one.